11 Bing AI rolls out for Google Chrome with dark mode but with limitations. Microsoft has finally started rolling out Bing.com to Google Chrome and Safari and is also A/B testing a native dark theme for the ChatGPT-powered. We received a pop-up on Windows 11 and 10 that enable Bing AI access in Google Chrome. Seemingly, some users have access to Bing AI in Safari too. Bing AI powered by ChatGPT-4 is one of the most advanced and best language models for consumer. It's been available for Microsoft Edge users since last February, and Microsoft has now started rolling out the Bing.com AI supported to all browsers including Google Chrome and Apple Safari. A new pop-up has started appearing on Windows 10 or 11 taskbar, allowing anyone to try Bing AI in Chrome. In our test, we could access Bing AI in Google Chrome with native dark mode support. As you can see in the screenshot below, the white background switches to a black hue that matches Microsoft Edge's new dark theme. Bing logo is blue and all colorful icons representing the different feature buttons and areas are white or blue. You can also easily switch between the dark and light themes for the hamburger menu on the Bing.com supports 3 theme settings: light, dark, and system default automatically detects the OS preference. Interestingly, Microsoft is limiting Bing chat capabilities in Chrome. Our test showed that Chrome Bing supports only 5 messages per conversion instead of 30 in the Microsoft Edge. Similarly, Bing in Chrome limits character count in 2000 while Edge supports 4000. Microsoft repeatedly shows a start exploring in Edge pop-up when I open Bing.com AI in Google Chrome. The Chat Now button launches Microsoft Edge. As mentioned, Bing support for all browsers is still rolling out, is only available to select users, and Microsoft sources confirmed to Windows latest that Bing AI will arrive in the Chrome and Safari in the coming days or weeks for everyone. No search in the next big update for Bing AI. Microsoft is actively working on a new feature called No Search or ChatGPT-like mode for Bing AI, allowing users to interact with Bing faster. Currently, Bing search the web whenever you ask the AI any question. Unlike ChatGPT, which doesn't have a search engine or web browsing feature, Bing AI relies entirely on the web. In most cases, Bing attempts to scrape data from multiple websites and summarize the answer from scraped content, which could make an answer potential less human. Some users dislike Bing reliance on the search engine, and Microsoft want to fix it. With no search support, Bing could behave more like ChatGPT and respond to user using its AI capabilities rather than crawling the web most of the time. In case you missed it, Bing AI was recently updated with many new features including visual search. Microsoft Visual Search uses OpenAI image recognition to describe, interpret images and provide answers related to the picture. In a statement, Microsoft also promised Bing would remain free. The enterprise edition to Bing would operate independently.